Model, 66-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 170PS 310 DCIV Limited front-wheel drive, L1 spares OR repairs timing belt snapped fix trader fix grin BARGAIN open mouth smile. Body, black, panel van. Mileage, 113627. MOT, 5 December 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 170 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner timing belt snapped. Very easy simple fix. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, cruise control, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 6.